bought this trifold wallet that's RFID blocker, and it came in this little box here, and I haven't taken it out yet. So I'm going to take it out right now and take a look at it. And there's a little thing from the company. It's nice. Got a little opening box here. It's actually pretty nice. It's waterproof and RFID blocker, so no one can steal your credit card information. But it opens up, and it's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 slots, and they're little accordion slots. And this, I actually had one of these for about 5 years now, and this is what it looks like. You know, and of course I use it everything, so that's probably from me leaning on it, you know, while it's in the front of my pocket. And then here's all my stuff in here, you know, but it's actually pretty nice. I really like it a lot, and it works well for me. And yeah, so great wallet. I bought it again, and I'll probably buy another one in another 5 years.